Hello, hope you had a great weekend. I am excited to let you know that in the next couple of weeks we will be exploring various ways that you can take advantage of technology to make money both online and offline. And I promise you that these videos will be short, but they will be compact and filled with all action plans that you can take, and you will see yourself begin to make money. But hey, let me also warn you that the monies I'm talking about here now, they are not necessarily millions, but I feel that if you have a way of making $100 every day, that it can change something and it can be useful for you, and it can also be a stepping stone for you to start building millions and millions that you aim for, right? So that what I need you to do is to not miss any segment of any of these short videos that I'll be bringing week after week, because I'll be giving you practical steps on how to do each of the things while showing you how others failed in each of these ones, right? So stay tuned. And by the way, there are two things that I will need you to do from now till the coming Saturday in preparation for you to start making money. And number one is that you need to start setting up international bank accounts. Why is that? This is because the businesses that I'll be bringing your way, they are businesses that will be paying you mostly in dollars. And so you need to be able to set up a payment, set up an account details that will enable you earn the money into your account. They're not going to pay into your local currency account, right? So you need to be able to receive this payment. To be more specific, you need to set up dollar, pounds, and euro accounts, right? So don't worry if you don't live in the US or in the UK or in Europe, because you still will be able to set up this account, to open these accounts in the countries where you are, right? So I need you to go to number one, gray.co. The link will be in the description of this video. I'll also be including a code that you can input when you're opening this account, so that you can get some cash back from Gray, right? So you'll also need to go to Payoneer to open a USD account. Again, the links will also be in the description of this video. In fact, I think I will do a webinar, a short webinar, where I will give you a demo on how to set up this account. I will also be showing you how to move your money, because you are actually opening two accounts. You're opening an account with Payoneer. You are also opening an account with Gray. The reason is because most of the platforms that you will be working on to get monies, they prefer to pay into Payoneer accounts. So Payoneer is better for receiving payments from the vendors or from the companies that you'll be working with. But Payoneer is terrible when it comes to moving the monies, the dollars you earn, into your currency account, into your account in the country where you live. Payoneer's rates are not so great, and so that's where Gray comes in. So I will be showing you all of these, how to receive this payment, how to move it, and how to convert it to your local currency using great rate. Maybe by next Saturday I'll be sending you the link to that short course. It will be free of charge, just for you to know how to maximize the monies that you will be earning, right? So need you to hit the ground running, start setting up these accounts, because you are just about to start making money on a daily basis. So the number two thing that I want you to do is to start gathering as much basic digital skills as possible, right? Notice that I said basic because you don't necessarily need to have the advanced skills to be able to earn money through the means that I'll be showing you, right? So what I'll be showing you, they are basically things that anyone can do from wherever you are. You don't necessarily have to be a guru to do them. All you need is to make up your mind to start making money. By the way, like I told you, that the things I'm talking about, they are not necessarily going to start giving you millions and millions of dollars, right? But I know that if you have a way of making $50 to $100 on a daily basis, then you can build on that to start growing money to the thousands and to the millions levels. And that is simply the concept that we'll be looking at. And I need you to stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can get a pop-up every time we post each of this content. Hey, these are few weeks coming. If you blink, you'll miss. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Money, leadership, and man. Money, leadership, and